Yadum Ure, Yavarum Kelir, Purananore. Every city is our city. Everyone is our family. Tamil Nadu, since the dawn of civilization, has not merely witnessed history, but has forged it. The ancient Tamil civilization mastered literacy and produced timeless literary works. 3 millennia ago, Tamil Nadu stood as a beacon of advanced craftsmanship, excelling in iron forging, weaving, and pottery. Mastering the art of shipbuilding, Tamil Nadu commanded the seas, flourishing in maritime trade. Today, Tamil Nadu stands as India's manufacturing powerhouse for future mobility, electronics, and green hydrogen. With the nation's second largest GDP, more than 39,000 factories, it has emerged as South Asia's first true advanced manufacturing hub. As the #1 state in automobile, electronics, and engineering exports, Tamil Nadu transforms investments into accelerators of growth, powered by unrivaled talent in innovation and Industry 4.0. Driven by the $1 trillion economic vision of Honorable Chief Minister Thiru M.K. Stalin, Tamil Nadu is charging full throttle into its future, powering inclusive growth across the state through innovation centers and center of excellence. The state's greatest strength lies in its people, a razor-sharp workforce of engineers and skilled technicians shaped by premier institutions such as IIT Madras, Anna University, and hundreds of colleges, polytechnics, and ITIs. It commands the nation's largest industrial workforce and proudly leads with the highest participation of women in manufacturing, setting a benchmark for inclusivity and growth. A vibrant base of micro, small, and medium enterprises further powers the industrial landscape. For over 2 millennia, Europe and Tamil Nadu have been bound by vibrant exchanges of trade, culture, and craftsmanship. It has now evolved into strategic partnerships with European nations like Germany, France, Denmark, and the UK, anchoring Tamil Nadu's global value chains across automobiles, renewable energy, heavy engineering, and cutting-edge R&D. The state, through its flagship Naan Mudhalvan program, has also adopted the German model education system to nurture its students and make them industry-ready. Fueled by its manufacturing strength, Tamil Nadu is also driving a new era of self-reliance through its bold Made in Tamil Nadu strategy, powering machinery manufacturing, capital goods, robotics, and light engineering. Europe's technology leadership, combined with Tamil Nadu's industrial depth and skilled workforce, is shaping a new chapter of growth, making the state Europe's most trusted gateway to India and South Asia. Tamil Nadu offers a perfect blend of business and lifestyle. Relax in serene hill stations, discover stunning beaches, marvel at UNESCO World Heritage Sites and pilgrimages, immerse into lively festivals, indulge in the bold and flavorful cuisine, experience the rich tradition and culture. Tamil Nadu, the land of abundant opportunities, invites you to invest, grow, and experience it. Rooted in legacy, rising to lead, invest in Tamil Nadu.